Hi everyone, and welcome to my ottermagedesigns YouTube channel for another quick Twitch tutorial. Today I'm providing a detailed overview of the Twitch affiliate onboarding process. My name is Jade and I'm a writer and illustrator who is also a Twitch streamer. I've been a Twitch affiliate for many years and I'm happy to answer questions about that process, how to manage your emotes, and other streamer and artist related questions. I stream as Jade the Ottermage on Twitch on most weekdays while I draw art, and if you ever need emotes for your channel, please keep me in mind. Today, I'm answering a question from 2K7256, who left a comment on a prior video. 2K is wondering why the only thing appearing in their viewer reward menu dropdown is drops, even though they say that their channel is eligible for emotes, which means that they should be an affiliate. This is a great question because becoming an affiliate doesn't just happen overnight, even though it kind of looks that way from the outside. And even after you receive the invitation from Twitch, which could take a few weeks, it still isn't as simple as clicking a button. There are many steps you must take before you can officially become an affiliate and start receiving money for your work on Twitch. First, I'd like to show y'all exactly what 2K is talking about by showing you my Twitch channel, which is affiliated, and another Twitch channel I made for sandboxing that isn't. So this is my Jade the Ottermage channel as it looks on the front end of Twitch. I'm going to click the icon in the upper right to open a drop-down menu, and then I'm going to click on Creator Dashboard. This will take me to a screen that should look super familiar to all of you because it's where you should be managing your predictions, stream title, and so on whenever you're live. Now yours may look a little bit different from mine because this page is highly customizable. However, over on the left, you should see the Creator Dashboard, which has a bunch of drop-down menus. Emotes and channel points are stored under viewer rewards, so I'm going to click on that and you can see that they're here. This is because my Jade the Ottermage channel is affiliated. However, when I come over to my test Twitch channel, my little sandbox one, you'll see that my viewer rewards dropdown only has drops. There's no emotes and no channel points. This is because this Twitch channel is not affiliated and it doesn't meet any of the qualifications for going through the affiliate onboarding process. In my prior video, which is linked below the video, you can see what those qualifications are, but this video is only going to focus on the onboarding process itself. Now, I've been an affiliate for a long time, and the requirements and onboarding were much different when I went through them, so I'm heavily relying on the articles provided by Twitch for this part of the walkthrough. If Twitch's article is out of date, as a few other articles have been, you may find that there are some discrepancies. If there are, please let me know in the comments below. Under the Becoming an Affiliate section on their page on Twitch, Twitch provides 5 steps that must be completed as a part of the onboarding process. First, you must enable two-factor authentication. Second, you must provide them some basic information like your name. Third, you must sign the Twitch affiliate agreement. Fourth, you must provide Amazon your tax information. And finally, number 5, you must provide a valid payment method so that Twitch can actually pay you. Also, if you're a minor, you'll need a parent to do these things. Until you're 18, you won't be able to complete the onboarding process yourself. From my experience, this all went very quickly. However, I know that there are some users in countries other than the United States who have had issues with certain payment methods. If this happens, I recommend contacting Twitch support via DM, but please do not post any of your banking information online. That is very dangerous. You may even need to reach out to your financial institution. According to the article, only once these steps are completed does your channel start earning channel points. It doesn't say anything about emotes. Now, I'm going to assume that because channel points and emotes are both considered viewer rewards that get unlocked by becoming an affiliate or a partner with Twitch, that emotes will also appear after this onboarding process is completed. If you've completed the onboarding process within the past 24 hours, I'd recommend waiting another day or two before reaching out to Twitch support to resolve any issues that you might be experiencing. There could be some problem on their end that they're having with that might naturally end up resolving itself for you. So going back to 2K's question, I wanted to check if 2K had an affiliate account first, so I went to 2K's Twitch channel and found that the channel does have over 50 followers, but I'm not able to determine if the other criteria have been met. In summary, I think that what you're experiencing, 2K, is that you may need to complete the onboarding process for those other options to appear in your viewer reward dropdown. If you've met all of those qualifications and you have completed the onboarding steps and have waited a few days for processing, then it could unfortunately be worth reaching out to Twitch support. And if you have to do this, please let me know. I would love to explore the solutions with you and help out in any way that I can. Thank you again, 2K, for the question. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, if y'all enjoyed the video or found it helpful, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. If you'd like to help me out a bit more, one of the ways you can do that is by supporting me on Patreon, which helps me create more frequent and higher quality videos. I really love making tutorials, but my time is extremely limited, so I don't have a lot of time to edit or make them pretty right now. So by supporting me for as little as $1 per month on Patreon, you can help me create the time I need to make better, more frequent, and higher quality tutorials here on YouTube and continue producing webcomics and manga for y'all to enjoy. Thank you all again for joining me over here on YouTube. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I also hope to see you on Twitch as well. And if you have other questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll do my best to post a video as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day.